Thank you. Alright, we're gonna start with one y'all know. Let's go. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Yeah, the sun doesn't rise without my permission. I got my system so my girl's hands glisten. The dude who owns Dubai, that bitch shine my shoes. I set my drink on his head so his doesn't move. My carpet is the fur of endangered species, and people go on eBay just to purchase my feces. I make U2 and the Rolling Stones have rehearsals. I call Vegas reversals, make Super Bowl commercials. You think Bill Gates and Sam Walton are smart? I just bought both of them and opened a joint called the Micromart. I didn't always have a life like this. I had to fight to the top, I took some risks. They put my farts in a bottle, sell it as a cologne. I gave Tiger putting lessons before I came home. My success and the reason that they call me the bomb is a little thing I like to call goldyachts.com.